I'm a piano. Is a big vibe.
What you? What make you the scratch brick? You be John Wick. I weak. You weak. Now why you know they ever the pick? It's you know that the scratch brick. So the only cure na terminator by fair come, you go keep you cure them in 10 seconds. I know that you they win the scratch if you know they win the last for bed. Now smack that thing, go make you last for bed. Idiot. What do you want buy?
Oga, I won't buy AC. 12 horsepower.
No worry, Ide.
How much?
2K.
Jesus!
Not be juju be that.
I want it.
Jennifer, what make you they cry?
Oga, customer boy AC for hand yesterday. I just see the AC shock am down.
Jesus!
Right backbone.
Jesus!
Oga, no fear. All those people know they follow instruction. Now why the AC they shock them they die. Now people say they know they read manual.
No worry, I go read my manual.
Jennifer, carry the AC go give her. Okay.
Jesus!
The AC just shock and die so.
He no read manual now.
Right backbone.
Slim, result don't come out.
Ogu won't kill you.
I come in peace.
That is my failure.
Sorry, yo.
Now do you kill Papa?
Sorry, yo.
Sir? Sir?
Yes?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Chukwemeka Goswe, chemistry department student 3/4. So it's about your last semester exam.
What happened?
Yes, sir, I buy your textbook. I do your assignments. I enter your class from the beginning to the end of the semester. And my mind, they tell me, say my CA complete.
Okay.
Guess what, sir? I failed the exam.
That's because you didn't do well in the exam.
Sir, no, I do well. I do well. Because even people will copy me, pass. You not copy me?
I copy you.
You not pass?
I pass.
So what I fair now?
So this is the reason why you stopped me when I buy only big. Something is wrong with your brain. Come and get out from this place.
Emmanuel Amadioyi, born 1988. You got your first degree, 2010.
Jesus.
You got your master and your PhD, 2004. You have 2 beautiful daughters. One named Chiamaka, the other one Doris. You can't get one son where your first wife born. She died for motor accident before you come marry your second wife where come born these 2 beautiful daughters for you. Sir, how you go like make those your beautiful daughters become fatherless and your beautiful wife become a widow? At the talk, you the open car. You be like say one get accident. Come on for you now. Me and you dey talk you dey. If you come up for you get accident. My papa na native doctor. Be like say one man touch you this thing and make it turn to goat.
Calm down. Calm down. It hasn't got into this now.
Do the needful.
Okay? What's that your name again?
Boss with Chukwemeka.
Boss with Chukwemeka. It's okay, you can go. I will do the needful. I will do the needful.
Person go suffer by textbook finish now, fella. Where they go?
I just say your papa na carpenter.
I don't change in occupation.
You don't mean it. Wait. How you take know all these things about this man?
In daughter Chiamaka na my friend for Facebook. And she no know say im father na my lecturer. Now that I gather all the details. See the way the man dey para. It is a wise. Come on, clear road.
Your papa na native doctor. Me self on my own, I be native doctor myself. By the time you go don do this school, 12 years, your brain go reset. Fool. Come come do rubbish for my car. Nonsense. Come dey do anyhow. Come on, okay, no yama. I know it. I know about it. I know Zuzu. I Zuzu are in school. Zuzu cha. I go school at 14 years or 12.
Action. So how you go like make your 2 beautiful daughters turn to widow? What? Okay.
Hello, Philip. And I no wan know whether you will talk or I know say you dey vex for me because I too dey ask you for something. But this one no be something I wan just ask you of. I wan just tell you say my popsy, I lost my father. I lost my father today. So the burial they don arrange and finish. So I just need small transport to go village. May I go join burial. I don't gather the transport. Now just 1,000 remain for me to add up. So I just call whether in case you fit help me with small 1,000. If you dey hear me, no wahala. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, Philip.
How many times your father did die? No be you tell me last year say your papa die.
Oh, I tell you before.
Yes, you tell all of us contribute money give you.
Oh, not true.
Now which one can't die again now? How many dying they die?
Oh yeah, you get 1,000 to give me.
Who get this money? Who get this money? Inside my cupboard. I know they live with anybody now. If it be my old money way, I don't know say I get to. God they walk. This God eh? This God eh?
Neighbor. Well done.
Welcome. I work now.
Fine, no. You don't enjoy you.
Now God do. Now only God know how to do your own things.
You know, say today you go pay that NEPA bill now.
Nepa be.
Gather money give you for company.
Wait.
I don't understand. Wait be wait. No tell me say wait. No tell me. Man, tell caretaker first. Okay, caretaker.
Wait. Come first. Who go help me now? Ma try before them pursue me come off for house, I beg. Who I go call now? We go help me. Philip.
I've been looking for you. You blocked my car. Where were you? Where were me? Yes, you. Were me not here? Were we not here when the other neighbor drove the way? Why are you shouting me? Why are you shouting upon me? Why are you shouting me? Who are you that cannot shout to you? Who are me? Who are me? Who are you that cannot ask you where you were? Jesus. Where were me not where? Where were me not where?
And now I feel my head trembling. Oh Lord, ain't no.
How is she? There's no problem at all. The young man over there has donated his kidney to help her save her life. So I can assure you, she'll be alright. My son, thank you for saving my daughter's life. God will bless you.
Mommy, anything for love. I will do. You'll be Momo.
Yeah.
Babe! Hey! In-law. In-law?
In-law, welcome.
She's not with the man, Joe.
You never see anything.
No, you're let them, you're using.
Are you mad?
Baby, you okay?
Jesus. Baby, you know I will always be here for you.
Hold up, nigga. Hold up.
Do you believe this good Samaritan donated his kidney to save her life?
Jesus!
Me, good Samaritan. Jesus. Thank you so much, my brother. May God replenish wherever you got this kidney from.
Jesus, my brain want blow.
Nasty, you have done enough.
Okay, doctor, all I want is my kidney.
Women are scorpions.
I like the aesthetic, but it's a little small. You have anything bigger? Because I'm expecting a number of guests.
Oh, that okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
I like
We have a bigger hall.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's take.
The hall is 250 capacity for theater style.
All right.
I've read some of your books. I must say you're a financial genius.
Oh, I know. That's okay. Let's take some of the other house.
Okay. Right.
So I really hope it was an insightful time.
Of course! Oh my God, you're such a financial genius.
That's okay. Can we remember some of the quotes? Success is strategic.
The initial financial status of a genius is a elementary.
DNCC.
Money making investment scheme.
Mr. Richard. Mr. Olaiwola Richard.
Yeah, and that.
I said I'm not registering.
You don't know what you're missing. Well, dreams are unique. Give me my pen.
Hello, my people.
Make I ask you something. You don't born pikin, and they can't be like say your pikin don't they behave like who no get sense. Can't even reach level where be say you want pursue and come out for house. I be now you self one run come out for house. Allow me, make I introduce you now to our brand new cutting edge technology, Koboko 2.0. Make you no confuse am with our other products we'll get, like Slap 1.1, Conk 2.2, or even our signature products, Slippers 2.0. With this new Obonge product, resetting sense don't easily die. Simply open am, keep am where your pikin fit see am. If your pikin talk nonsense, just touch am small. Or you see no one wash plate, touch am small. Or you can't even reach level where your pikin say no one go school again, just look where the Koboko dey. I swear, it go shock you how this thing dey work. We even get another one. Koboko Plus. This one, you no even need to show am. Just carry am enter house, e get one special smell. Even your pikin sef go know say game don change. If your pikin no bow for Koboko Plus, no worry, we get another one. Introducing to you Koboko X. This product was tried and tested in Wakanda. Even King T'Challa himself can confess to the power of this product. It has the features of Koboko 1.0, Koboko 2.0, even Koboko Plus. This product we are hold for here contain vibranium. That's why if you give your pikin one, it go start to dey vibrate. Right now we dey do bonanza for this product. If you buy one, inside the carton we go take package this product for you. We go add Slap 1.0, Conk 2.3, and for an extra $10, we go even add product we never released yet, as is a 1.0. This product is 100% tested and guaranteed. If you no like am, return am. We go give you your money back. If your pikin dey behave like mumu, try Koboko.
Koboko, resetting sense since 1860. Offer valid while stocks last. Terms and conditions apply. Please read instruction manual for full application.
Officer, this is the nyash. Oh, this is the man. Yeah.